pick up Joel. Then we're heading north, South Dakota bound. Go up there and shoot some birdies. Never done it, so pretty excited. Got a good group of guys. We're gonna head up there and have some fun, shoot some pheasant. Quick 3-day weekend trip, kind of work trip, but it's all a good group of guys that are good buddies, so should be a good time. Idiot. We're here in Mitchell, South Dakota. Got our last pit stop for some gas, some groceries for the weekend, but about less than 2 hours out, he says, from the outfit, the lodge, so should be good to go. Excited. Get up some birds in the morning. Joel somewhere. I think he's man in the truck. But lots of hunters in town. It is opening weekend of pheasant hunting here in South Dakota tomorrow. Everybody rolling through here's got orange on, got dogs in the back of their truck, ready to go. Weather should be good. Might be a little windy tomorrow, but upper 50s this weekend, low upper 30s for the low. So Monday's supposed to get real cold, but I'm gonna come out Monday morning, hit the road, and come back home. Travis is in there looking at nudie magazines, he says. You're looking at nudie magazines? Is that what you said?
In there looking at nudie
magazines. Looking at nudie magazines, so.
Should be a hot commodity out there.
Yeah,
the internet out here this
we'll catch you later. Just pulled in. Joel's eager to crack one. I know Travis is too. Give me a bush latte.
Cheers, boys.
Heck yeah, this is sweet.
It's nice.
Oh, man. Little sunset going on. The lodge.
Sunset back there.
I guess.
I think there's a room in here too that might be available.
The lodge. Burgers.
Travis, good to see you again.
Young one did?
Welcome to Draper, South Dakota. That's awesome. It wasn't an easy
Christian
day
got
to
a
get
new
here
one.
for some reason, but. Hey bud, how you doing? Good.
Christian, Travis.
Christian, yeah, good to see
Tim,
you.
Yep.
Clay, Travis.
Clay, how you doing? Good to see you again.
Good to see you. Yeah, that was
yeah, it's usually not that hard to get here. It's a long drive usually, but
the
usually,
2 hours sitting in traffic was.
You had to sit for 2? Yeah. We must have just got through it because we sat for. We toured off, we paralleled the highway, and then we got back on. Yeah, so awesome. Tell us what's going on.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Pancake breakfast, Murdo, South Dakota. Raising money for the ambulance station here in town. Getting ready to hunt some birds today.
You know, ready to go. I'm ready. Ready. Travis is cracking them. I thought you were cracking and starting them early.
No booze before the hunt. Only after. Oh boy.
It's good. It's good right here. I'm going to clean this fan. It's a little unsanitary up here. Well, good morning, everybody. I've never given a speech from a
Put Jerry in charge.
So welcome to opening day. We're going to have a great time. The wind conditions are looking pretty good, about 20 miles an hour. We need to leave those birds just a little bit. Some of you, you've been here many times. For some of you, this is your first time. So I'll give you a couple tips, and we'll get this. Gary's going to fill in all the really important stuff that I don't talk. Yeah. First off, safety first. You're going to see plenty of birds. This is not like any other hunt that you've done. If you've been here before, you will absolutely see your fair share. So don't do anything crazy, don't do anything silly. A couple things on those shots. First of all, make sure you always have sky underneath you in the shot. No shooting down into the ground. We don't want to hit a dog. We don't want to hit flint. There will be plenty of birds. You've got to remember that. Don't get anything crazy going there. Secondly, with a wind like this, you're going to want to lead your shots just a little bit. We'll see how far out they are. Give us an idea of how much of a lead we want to do. You might adjust some of your ammunition along the way. We will rotate who is pushing, who is winging, and who is blocking. If you're feeling tired, or if you're like just need to take a breather, let one of the guides know that you'd like to block on the next field. That'll give you a chance to do some standing versus some of the heavy lifting. If there's nobody volunteering, we'll pick somebody to do it, especially if you've already knocked your fair share of birds out of the sky. First couple of fields, we want to make sure everybody gets plenty of shots. We start at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. If you can't hit this barn with a shotgun, we may start dropping some of your birds for you. We'll make sure everybody gets their fair share there. Listen to your guys. They're going to give you a lot of instruction because they want you to have an amazing hunt. Most importantly is going to be about staying in a straight line. Every year, without fail, we end up fighting somebody who's a little eager to get out in front of the group. We got to pull you back. We'll also have some people get behind the group. We're going to keep you moving forward. If not, the birds will run right between us. So staying in a straight line is paramount. And the way you'll know you got it wrong is me and Travis will look at each other because the bird just flew up 5 feet behind us. So pay really close attention to where the guys are asking you to be. If you are on wing, we're going to have you push out a little bit to the sides. We'll tell you how far to get out there. Most importantly, watch your shots, especially if you're in the middle. Watch this swinging left or right. Be very careful, very conscientious of the guys around you. When we get close to the end, if we haven't seen a lot of birds get up, they're going to have held close into the grain, into the corn, milo, whatever we're into. Walk it all the way through. Without exception, every year we'll have 20, 30 birds pop up last minute right there at the end. Want to make sure we're very careful about those shots. A lot of action happening at the last minute. I feel like I've hit the points that I really want to hit. I'll give you a chance to fill in, Gary.
So, like you're talking about in the field, we'll tell you guys when to load up and also when to unload. We don't want anybody shooting, like we get out there, bird gets up while we're getting the trucks ready and the dogs ready and everybody's kind of getting lined out. Letting a couple birds go is not that big of a deal. If you get guys, we're not squared away in a line where nobody's ready, can really ruin your buddy's day if you blast his ear and he's not ready, but that's no fun. So we'll just wait till we're all ready. One of us will get the sign to go ahead and load up, and then we'll start our hunt. Same thing, we get to the end of the push, like Jerry said, we'll stay ready through the end, because sometimes it'll be me and Norm, and I'm through the end of the milo strip, and you think that everything's empty, and there's a bird or two left in there, we'll hold tight. And then once we clean out the strip, we'll unload, make our plan to do the next move. The farm we're going to start on this morning is some nice straight food plots, but they're a little bit skinny for this many guys, so I think what we're going to do is split into 2 groups. And we'll be hunting about 150, 200 yards apart, and just half and half type of deal. And after each push, we can kind of, one group gets a little more shoot, not enough shoot, whatever, and kind of move people around as we see fit to fill in all the gaps. And like Jerry said, we'll try and slide guys around best we can, so you just gotta let us know. We try and take a pretty good mental note of who's getting shooting and who isn't, but sometimes we miss it. So if you feel like you've killed your fair share, you haven't got any shooting, just don't be afraid to hit Gary or me or Scott and just speak up and try and get you where we think they'll be, but that always works. It never works.
For the first timers, your best shooting will always be dead center in the middle of the thickest fireweed. What we want to do is give you those.
Yeah, if you're in the cattails where you can't see.
If you can't see the cattails, you're probably going to have your best shot.
I mean, everybody.
And for the new people, we want you to get your good experience.
Some guys are new, but
graciously going to
some guys are new, but everybody knows we're only shooting roosters,
Yep,
only males.
roosters.
Should be pretty obvious, dark head, long tail. There's been years when we've been here and there've been some really immature birds that weren't as dark headed and their tail wasn't as long and it wasn't really obvious. Everybody's gonna call rooster if they know for sure. If you're not sure, don't shoot. It's no big deal. Like you said, there's gonna be plenty of birds.
And there's a decent chance of prairie chickens and grouse where we're gonna be going. So if you hear us yelling chicken, you should be good to shoot it. Especially if there's only like 1 or 2 birds. A lot of times they'll fly in a covey or whatever, but we'll yell chicken. It's just a lot easier than yelling grouse or sharp-tailed, anything like that. But we'll keep an eye out. Their flight pattern's a little bit different. They look similar to a hen pheasant, but we'll keep our eyes out and try to let everybody know.
And don't just rely on us saying it.
Yeah.
You know,
But don't shoot if you're not sure.
Yeah.
Only if they're yelling chicken.
You may be looking at a different one and you're seeing a hen pheasant.
And that brings up another good point too, is like, it's a lot nicer when it's overcast like this, but like Trav said, everybody call out birds as you see them. If you don't know, don't yell anything, but a bird might get up right in front of Scott. Gary's over there 10 yards, he's actually got a better look at the bird from the side than Scott does right behind it. And it never fails, you know, you get a bird up right in front of you, you hadn't had one all day, and you think, I can't help to hen or rooster, you don't shoot it, flies away, and you're like, dang, why didn't you shoot that rooster? If I couldn't tell if it was flying towards the sun, or I just couldn't identify it.
Yeah.
If we can see one, go ahead and yell hen, yell rooster, whatever you see, just to kind of help everybody else identify them as well.
If you're not sure.
What the hell weren't you shooting at?
We will, if we yell keep shooting, because a lot of times we can tell these birds get hit. They drop a leg or you bust a wing or just kind of nick one, and they're going to go down a little livelier and just a lot easier if they're dead for the dog to find them. And our dogs do a good job recovering wounded ones, but a lot of times it never fails. You hit one, you see feathers flying, and kind of going down, you think he's dead, but we do it enough that we can kind of tell if they're going to die or if they're going to hit the ground running. So if we yell keep shooting, just keep shooting. You brought chills and you don't want to bring them home, right? So just let them have it. We will kind of just, everything kind of shifts throughout the day a little bit. We'll try and just roll with the flow with everybody and keep everybody lined out in the square. This many guys, the only thing in the past to run into is just like, as far as dragging the day out, we have a ranger to kind of move guys around. So when we get through with the hunt, I'll say load up, I'll take a load. It's gonna take me a couple loads to move guys around, but if you guys could just kind of fill in as fast as you can in the ranger, it'll help us get the hunt a little quicker and not have as much downtime in between. Just moving this many guys back and forth between spots.
And we're on some new puppies this year, so bear with us. We're gonna learn the dogs too, and the dogs are gonna be learning. So
they've never hunted with this many guys.
Yeah, they've never hunted with this many guys, so we'll.
No birds on the ground.
Yes, that's my biggest thing. And every one of them dogs easily can jump this high, if not higher. Yeah. So like Jared said, make sure you see skylight. Yeah. You know, underneath them. You got all day, you know, you will see plenty of birds.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a team thing. Don't, you know, all of us are a little competitive to a certain degree, especially his brother. He's not here to worry about it. So you don't have to be quick draw McGraw. Take your time. Make sure you're getting a good mount. There's going to be a lot of birds that are team birds. You know, several people are going to shoot the same bird a lot of times. And that's okay. Don't be. This isn't a competition, and you don't have to be quick draw.
We'll kind of try and read the situation too, and kind of try and help call shots a little bit. But with the wind as it picks up, we don't want to be, like you said, quick draw McGraw, but you also don't want to wait too much for them to catch the wind. Our leads will get a lot tougher, and it's a lot harder to knock them down.
That's what
so it's kind of it's a fine line back and forth of, you don't want to shoot too fast where you're not ready to shoot, you don't got your feet right, you're not in the bird, but you also don't want to wait too long to where he catches the wind and he's sailing 3 times faster than he was 2 seconds prior.
But I hear you have plenty of shells on there.
Yep.
Because I carry a few extra ones, they get pretty damn expensive out there.
So does toilet paper.
Yeah, exactly. We will keep your gun loaded as well. As far as the bird gets up, bing, bang, boom, you shoot. Load that thing right back
as soon as possible.
Yep. We'll be yelling reload, just trying to help guys remember, but it never fails a guy, especially when you miss. People miss, they get mad, and dang it, and then another bird gets up closer,
exactly.
Have a better shot, and they didn't take the time to reload. They were more worried about the last shot that they missed than.
And it happens all the time.
So we'll try and help yell just to kind of keep it fresh, but can't kill them with no shells with again. So. Yeah, we got water and we got some meat sticks, so that'll be, we got a snack for midday or whatever. We got water bottles on the Ranger. And
what are you talking, breaks? We get breaks?
We get breaks around here.
We get breaks.
Is it venison or
punch out, right?
This stuff is elk. Plain elk. Just
really?
Yep.
All right. Yeah.
But I know Scott's got a little bit of room in his pickup. I don't know if you guys.
I can take somebody, one person.
I have room for 4.
You're okay with us driving our own rig?
Yeah, you're okay with driving your own. Ask me if somebody wanted to ride with or.
I'm okay with it.
This is Mud. Have you met him yet?
The one that was talking?
Yeah.
I haven't met him, but
He's. I like that kid a lot. He's a good dude.
getting lettered up. Should be good to go. Getting taken out to the field, get on the strip. I guess we'll be walking the first go around. Some guys are blocking. There's another group already out there. Should be fun. Getting set up here. I'm gonna act as a blocker this first go around.
I'll need 3 guys with me that want to block.
I don't mind watching
Do you want Stella, Scott?
Just spread it out coming this way. Everybody come except for one guy up there. You're good there. Stay there. Get it! Help you, Paul.
Hey, no bird, no bird, no bird.
Yeah, keep coming. Try not to the whole drop. So keep coming this way.
Slide this way.
Come on, guys. Yeah, keep coming.
The middle is that ground line.
Okay. I shot a bunch last time, so I'm gonna film. So put wherever somebody wants to be. There's gonna be shooting.
Yep, so just keep kind of going up with them guys. About right here. I'm gonna have you in the middle, man.
Okay.
Come, Boone! Come, Boone!
Lily, come on.
Come, Boone! Come, Boone! Come, Boone!
All right, guys, we're good to go. Everybody loaded up. Okay, guys, straight line. Watch your flankers.
Come on, guys. Good.
Slide this way.
Come this way a little bit. Oh, this way a little bit. Come this way a little.
Move up. Let everybody get in line.
There you go.
Hey, hang on. God, I'm going to go through the Milo.
Get.
What do you guys switch with me?
Right on the edge? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you're good. There goes one. Rooster! Too far. Should be exciting at the end.
Yeah.
Slow down a little.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Porcupine? Rooster! There we go! Who got it? Joe? Nice! Rooster, get him! Boom, boom, boom! Oh yeah! Nice! Good.
Dog, got it. I know you found it, Naughty.
Got it! Who shot it?
I don't know. We were both firing.
I think Joel got a piece out of it.
I don't know. I'm just filming the bird.
I think about everybody got it. Come on, then.
Did we get that one?
Yeah, lock on.
That one got blasted right above me. Boom! Who got that one? Rooster! Rooster! Hit! Hit! Who blasted that one? Reload!
I think I got the good piece of the first one.
Reload, reload, reload!
Have either one of them yet.
Good boy! Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Hit! Boo! Got that one killed.
That was a great shot.
Who got that one?
Everybody.
Go ahead, everybody. Dang! Is that you again? Christian.
Yes, sir.
Rapid fire?
Know it.
Huh? You having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good girl. Good girl. Good dog. Oh, yes. Okay.
Good. Hey, Richard! No hand, sorry. Right there! Whoa! Catch it! Look at that one. Like every single one of these is right perfect for me. Hey! Man, they don't flush till you're right on them, do they? Yeah. You shoot.
I missed the long shot. I slowed it down for Barry. You got it.
But you did get it?
You got it.
I heard several shots.
I shot twice and it just kind of far. I slowed it down for Barry.
I got about every single one on video. They're all right in front of me.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's gonna be awesome.
Is it you, Joel?
Oh yeah, he knocked down him and Christian blasted one.
Yeah?
Did Clay get one? He blasted one.
All right.
Yeah, it's like perfect.
Go ahead and unload.
All the way.
Christian, did you get that last one, or was it me?
Every one of them is on video.
Really?
Oh yeah. It's gonna be
That last
sweet.
rooster, was that you who shot, or was that me? I don't know. I hit.
Yo got a couple. Yeah.
Christian,
There was some team efforts right there between them two.
Me and Joel were playing cleanup.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell, dude. I know for sure one I folded, but the other two I hit. Boy, that whole tight.
Ranger here.
Ranger here. Porcupine?
No, I was wanting to come over there.
It was
Did
big.
you have a couple of dogs got?
The dogs had a hold of it. Really?
Yeah, they're big. I want to go see it. I wanted to come over there, but that was awesome.
I'm gonna grab some water and some snacks. You guys just want to head down towards that group of guys. We'll pull the Ranger down there. And like this is perfect.
That third one, I think so many people shot at it. I don't know. Sometimes it takes.
That was a little better as far as the middle guys.
Yeah,
Shots up and behind and around.
You were spread out. You were wide enough. You felt like you could. One of them ran right down by it.
Did you see? I never saw any by me.
One of those that I shot, I was sitting there looking at its head.
You were just waiting
there. Yeah.
How many did you get?
I got one.
We got a lot of them on video.
All right.
So this will be awesome.
There were some busted clay shots there.
Oh,
Yeah. They were right.
You see all the beds? How many beds did you walk by? Trees
We
in
walked by
beds.
those little planted row of trees. They were just shredded.
Out here.
The wife?
Excellent choice.
Yeah. Asking something.
No more dog poop.
No?
I know. I think you missed it.
Thanks, sir.
I told him I want the ones that he crocheted.
Grab a foreskin and drag her out.
I heard there's some new guys. So I wanted to go all orange. Make sure I was
Those are the lucky gloves.
You guys see the porcupine stuff?
I didn't get to see it.
The dog, I didn't see the porcupine. I was blocking, but the dog's got a mouthful of quills.
Yeah.
Ooh, I've never seen that on a hunt.
Damn. I was like, they're shooting at the floor. They're shooting at something.
I wanted to go over there and see it. Did you shoot me on that one?
I was kind of glad when we got on the downhill side.
Yeah. There for a minute, I'm like, yeah, we were going up the hill.
We're trying to watch the line, watch for birds, watch where you're walking.
Yeah.
I don't understand how you can't keep a straight line. It's hard.
Utah.
Owie, owie, owie.
Oh, here.
On the
See
porcupine.
the dog with the quills?
Yeah.
Poor dog.
Pretty.
Yeah.
What's the number you said?
I think Mud said he thinks we need 10 more.
For everybody? Nice.
Total, yeah.
Oh.
Everybody, we can start getting loaded up now. As soon as we're done here, we're gonna try and take off.
Good boy. Owie. Is that pretty common, porcupines? Like,
It depends, really. We don't get dogs in them very often, but we see them. I mean, it looks worse than it is. It's like a bloody nose right now. Yeah. It really isn't that big of a deal. It can be. This isn't bad.
You're okay.
When we get back to the lodge, I have to ask Scott to show you some bad ones. Some of the dogs get mad and they'll start biting them and get them in their mouth.
yeah, I saw he had one on his tongue.
Yeah. Nice to tell everybody to get their ass in the truck.
Everybody, get your ass in the truck.
You need more shells?
I've got it. I probably got 10 or 12. I got quite a few still.
The youngest guy here, you're not blocking. Heck no. Weak sauce. You let him block.
The way I'm pretty proud of it. Dog carrying master there right there. Watch your step.
Where?
Right where they're walking.
But where? So I don't take the step. Move spots. I think we got 10 birds to go for our whole group. Yep.
Oh, that makes it so many dogs.
You hug that side of that tree, or right there. Yep, okay, slide down one more. Slide down one more. Everybody kind of put down this way. Yep, I'll have you walk.
You know I can't hit that.
Give me the best spot with all the free shooting right here.
Love it. Perfect.
All right, let's push that.
Hey, rooster on the ground in front of you. Right there. What's the for? I only saw one bird, right? What were they shooting? I only saw one. Yep! Kill him!
That one's gone.
Head! Yeah, that was nice.
You got it?
Did you get it picked up?
Yeah.
There it is, right here.
Come.
Good dog, Marty.
There you go. Hit. One coming up. Rooster! Whoa, careful.
No, just don't even shoot that, man.
Whoa, there's some feathers flying. Who got that one?
That dog just came right up my face. Oh, dang.
So how many we need? Just 2 more now?
I think 4.
Nice.
I think we have 4 to go.
Good shot.
4 more?
There's about 3 roosters ahead of them. Ranger, here!
That one deserves to live. Down, down, down. That one. He's got two. He grabbed the one off the ground. Right here.
We don't have this one. I got this one.
The dog's got the one on the ground. Yeah, right here.
Now you want to freaking hold on to it. Good dog, Naughty. Hey, get up away. Hold on. Keep going. Okay.
Yeah. Nice. You get that one?
Got it.
That was nice.
Okay.
Backflip. You almost had him. That was a live one, right?
Yeah, that was a live one. That was crazy. Good dog.
Well, you know, I thought the hunt went real good. Wasn't really sure what to do with my hands, but yeah, we took care of it.
We want to thank our sponsor, Where Is Your Cigar, for bringing us out here on the field. We'll celebrate with some good cigars later on.
I thought he kicked the one to flush it.
I still missed it. It about landed on my barrel.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
I saw you guys bust some feathers just go everywhere, and then they keep on flying. I'm like, well, what we were doing is for the guys downwind, we were slowing them down.
Our guy's vest was already full, so we were trying to.
That's right. Yeah, we were trying to lighten the load on him.
Good looking load on the back there. Five birds.
5 birds.
double flank. My right flanker will be pretty deep and ahead. Okay, we're good to go. We only need 5, guys. 4 left. Rooster!
Nice.
3 to go. 3 left. Here.
We'll take one up, I think.
Get up.
Where's Dave?
Yeah, Jay, here. Oh, Rooster!
Nice shot.
We got that one, Scott. You got that one.
Look at that killer right there.
2 left.
Rooster, hold.
Whoa, too low. No bird. Rooster! One left. Head. Shot tie, guys. Shot tie. I got it.
One more. Come on, Naughty, go.
Watch the blockers, guys. Shot tie.
Nice.
Good. Unload.
It's hard when they're right in your face, huh?
Oh my, well, he got up like 2 feet up and he was right in my face. I reacted on it before I thought about it.
Come on, boat. Good boy, Bubba. Drop it. Leave it.
You got a photo shoot going on over here?
Good boy, Ranger. Last retrieve of the day. Yeah, that boy.
You got a photo shoot going on over here?
Nice picture of me with him after his.
You got a sweet hat on.
Huh?
You got a sweet hat on
Yeah, I do.
though.
I love it. It's my new lucky hat.
Whoever's driving, hop in.
You want to hop in?
51 birds? In 4 hours? Get it up. I think we're wanting to mount some of them, Travis, so if you could tell them, I don't know the process. Yeah, the bigger, nice ones to save them. We don't know what to do, freeze them whole or what, but let them know.
Okay. I'll let him know. How many you think?
Tim,
Tim.
how many? 2 total on your group? At least 4.
And also tonight, be sure to join us live for Stud Saturday, formerly known as Formal Friday.